you're facing a billing hold on your Chase Bank account, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review your account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number provided on their website or your bank statement. Be ready to provide your account information and explain the situation to the representative. Step 3. Verify your identity. Prepare to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing identification documents as requested by the customer service representative. This step is crucial for them to assist you. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the instructions given by the representative. They may guide you through specific actions to take or provide information on what is needed to lift the hold. Step 5. Confirm resolution. After following the steps provided, check your account again to confirm that the billing hold has been removed. If the hold persists, reach out to customer service again for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing holds on your Chase Bank account efficiently. If issues continue, consider visiting a local branch for in-person support.